Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna talking about how to make money without get job.
Number 1. Start a blog. Creating and monetizing a blog can be a great way to make money without a job. You can write about topic that you are passionate about and start to generate an income from it. Second one, become a freelancer. Freelancing is a great way to make money without having to commit to full-time jobs. You can offer your service in areas such as writing, web designing, graph designing, social media management, and much more. Number 3, invest in the stock market. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to make money without a job. You can start with a small amount of money and watch it grow over time. Please note that investing in the stock market involves risk, and it's important to do your own research and consider your own financial situation before making an investment.
I recommended Grow app because I used already, and this is very easy for new users, and there is free for sign up.
Number 4, online tuition. If you have a skill or knowledge that you can share, the become an online tuition can be a great way to make money without a job. You can tutor a student in the subjects such as math, science, English, physics, and much more.
I recommended my favorite applications for best teacher or student, and you can.
Number 5, online seller. You can start an online store and sell product or service to make money without a job. You can sell handmade items, digital product, or physically product. Online marketplaces. Selling goods or service on online marketplace like Amazon, eBay can be a great way to make money. But remember, earning money without a traditional job often requires creativity, hard work, and dedication.
If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.